Hello friends, this is an fully automated employee attendance sheet where you can select the months. When you select a different month, the start date and end dates automatically changes, and the Sunday's color and holidays color also change automatically when you select a different month. And whenever you completed your attendance, you can see the total results here. And as you completed your attendance for the month of January, you can copy the sheet month of January, that is here it's January, and you can clear this data from here with this clear button. So to know all about this, stay tuned with us. If you want to learn how to make an automated attendance sheet, then see this video very carefully. Do not miss any part of it. And make sure you subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. So let's start the video. First, we will take a new workbook. Here, we will first make a sheet, that is helper sheet. So in sheet 1, rename it as helper. This helper sheet will help us to make automated attendance sheet, and here we will make a list of months and holidays. So in cell 1, type months. After that, type here January and drag the fill handle up to December. So here select this range of months and define a name for this. So to do this, go to Formula tab and click on define name. On the name box, type months, then click OK. Now we will make a list of holiday here. So type here holidays, and you will type a list of holiday names and dates here, but I am not going to type here. I will copy from another sheet. So here is my list. It is already selected. Let's copy with Ctrl C and then go to my new sheet and paste it here. Now select this date range and again define this range as name holiday. Then click OK. Now we are done with helper sheet. We have created months and holiday list. Now we will create the attendance sheet. So in sheet 2, we will rename it as attendance. And this sheet 3, we have no use of it, so let's delete it. Here on cell A1, type attendance for the month of, and then select up to L and merge it. Then select M to Q and then again merge it. And here we are going to build a list of months. In this case, data validation will help us. To get this, we have to go to data tab and click on data validation and click data validation. This data validation will help us to make a list. If you want to learn about data validation, you can click on the I button here and get the link in the description below. So in allow box, select list. After that, in the source, type equal to months. Then click OK. See, you have got the list of months, and from R to T we will again merge it, and here we will put a formula where we will see the year. Now in C2 here we will type start date, and on H2 we will type end date. Here select this and merge it. Then again select all these three and merge it. Here we will get this start date of the month selected here and end date of the month selected here. So first let's select a month January, and now we will put a formula here to get the first date of January. So type here equal to date value double inverted comma 1 double close, and select the month cell, that is M1, then close it. Press enter. You will get the serial value of the date. Now we have to format it as date. So to do this, we have to right click and click on format cells. Here we have to go to custom and replace the general with DD, MM and YYY. So we got the start date. Now to get the end date, we have to give another formula that is equal to end of month, that is EO month, and click the start date and then month 0, then close. We have got another serial, so again convert it as date with format cell, custom DD, MM, YYYY. So we have got the first date and the last date. When we change the month, see it changed automatically. We selected February, now it's 1st February 2019 to 28th February 2019. When you select March, see 1st March 2019 to 31st March 2019. Now in A4 we will type the employee code and the employee names. So I will copy this from my previous sheet. So here I select this and copy it and then paste it here. So I got it, wrap text, I got all the names. Sorry, I have to give another space, so I have to keep 2 rows blank here. And now we will create date one by one here. So here I will give the first date of the month. So if I want to give the first month, press equal to and then select this one, we'll get the first date of the month. So we cannot keep here the full date, we have to give the first 2 digits. So format it from the front cell and go to custom and keep only DD and then click OK. We got 01. On the next cell we have to give another formula, that is if this cell is less than this cell. So we have to keep this cell as absolute, so press F4 to make it absolute, then comma this cell plus 1, else it will be blank, bracket close, enter. You can see this is a date with serial. Now format the cell with custom DD and press OK. Now drag this cell up to date 31st March. Now select all the columns and then drag the column width to fit. We got all the days from first date to 31st date. Now we will get all the days of dates here. So in this cell put a formula that is equal to text value we will get from C6, comma format text will be inverted comma DDD, double inverted comma close, bracket close, enter. So we got Friday. Now drag this up to the end. So we got all the days of all the dates. Now type here present days, absent days, half days, work days, and present day, present percent or absent percent here. But we will not do this, like we will copy this from here, copy and paste it here. We got them. We will now slightly reduce the column width. We have done with it. Now we will set a helper row here which will help us to make the sheet automatic. So here we will put a formula which will give a result here with numbers, that is it will give 1 if there is no dates, and it will give any numbers that is equal to the dates. Here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 or anything, and other cells will give 0. So how could we do this? First click here, then press equal to. In this case match function will help us. First we have to put if bracket open C6 equal to blank, then it will give 1. Otherwise it will give a match formula, match C5 comma these dates, that is this formula match will find if this C6 date is given in holidays, that is we put here a range holidays comma, if it found then it will give a number, else it will give 0. So it gives us NA, that is not available, that is wrong formula. So let's just drag this. We can see here 6 and 7, the date 20 and 21. So let's go to helper. See 20 and 21. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one is 6, 7 and all others are hashtag. So that means we do not have any other holidays here. So to remove this error, we have to put here if error formula. If error then equal to 0. Then again drag this, then we can see these dates contain 6 and 7, all others are 0. If we change the month, we can see here this is 1, this is a holiday because 1st January is in a holiday, and day 2 this is also holiday, and all others are 0. And we select February, we can see the dates are not here, so it gives us result 1, and here only 1, 2 holidays. So we have created this helper row. So now I'm going to format these 2 rows with this formatting. So first select this rows, then here I will take this color. After that I will give a border, that is all border, and it's bold. Now I will give another formatting here, that is the days which have holidays will be green and the days which will be Sunday, that will be red. So first I'm taking January as a month, and I can see there is 1 and there is 2. So there is 2 holidays, and for that I am selecting holidays with control, then I am giving green. After that I select Sundays with control by pressing control and give it a red color. But unfortunately when we change the months, the days changed. Now see here it's Wednesday but still it's red, and there is no holiday but still it's green. So for this we have to do a dynamic formatting. So with the help of conditional formatting we can do this. So first let's remove this formatting by pressing undo, and now at first I select this row and go to conditional formatting, then press manage rule and new rule. After that I press use a formula to determine which cell to format. Here I have to give a formula that is equal to or select this one, that is C5, $5 equal to Sunday, and bracket close. After that what will be the formatting? It will be red. So go to fill and give it a red color and border with outline and font color with black and bold. Then click OK. OK. Then again press OK. Now we can see the Sundays has been colored. Now we will do for holidays. So we have already selected, then manage rule, new rule, use formula. Here we will give another formula equal to count F bracket open. We will search these dates with our holiday list. So write holidays comma, this date is C6. So type here $6, then close the bracket, and now we'll do formatting. It will be green, outline border, font with black and bold, then press OK. Okay, now we can see it's green and Sundays are red. When we change the month, it automatically changes. Now we have to do this for rest of the
this tutorial. We will learn about
now select function this, and we have to fill the same formula.
A logical function, and it returns true if all its
Here,
arguments
again,
evaluate to true, and
use the formula to determine which cell to format.
One or more
then press here equal to or,
that means
bracket
open,
the
syntax of AND function
C5
equal to AND
equal to
bracket logic 1 logic 2. That means
Sunday
we can put
bracket
more than
close.
one logic.
In format
If
we will give
any
only
one
fill
of the
color
logic
red
or more than
and
one
border.
logic
We don't
false,
will not
then
give
it will
font
return
color
false.
or bold.
And if all the logics are correct, then it will return
it has been done. Then
so
again
let's
new.
understand how we can
Here we will give
use this
equal to
in our real life.
count
We have
if
5 examples
bracket
here.
open
First example
holidays
is for basic understanding. Then
comma
here we will check whether
C6 bracket close. Here formatting will be green and border will be outlined. Then click OK, OK, OK. Now we can see the complete column is colored. So again, let's check this. We take February, the column has been changed, but the problem is that Sunday is red and here Sunday is green. This is because we in conditional formatting we have given all the conditions, but here green is above the red. Here it's Sunday and a holiday both. So the both conditions are met and the first condition is green, so it's showing the green. So if we put this one above the green, then this problem will be solved. Same. So now we will give border to rest of the table with here all borders. So now it's all done. So now we will give formula to present days. So how we will give the formula for present days? For that, first we have to begin with a simple formula equal to count if bracket open range, select the range from here to date comma and give P, then bracket close, enter. It's showing 0. So now I will put present value to all of the cells here, and we can see the present day is increasing day by when I put P. So now it's showing 31. But here two problems we can see. First problem is that these 3 P's are not allowed because here is no dates. But still we can enter value here. We have to protect these cells from inputting any value if there is no dates. And the second problem is that whether it's Sunday or holiday, it also counts the days. So first we will solve the problem so that we cannot put any value in these cells if there is no dates. So to do this, first select this and then go to data and data validation. Here select custom and put a formula that is equal to this cell. That means C6 $6 less than equal to blank. Then press OK. And now see, I delete this value and try to put P again. It's showing a error, that is the value you entered is not valid. Here you can also put your custom message by going to data validation and here error alert, title as warning, and here you can write entry is not allowed. Okay, now I press P and it's showing warning and entry is not allowed. So the first problem is solved. To January I can put here value, but if it's February and no dates here, we cannot put value to it. So now we have to solve this counting problem. So it's already showing 28, but it will be 2, then this, and this one, this one. So counting will be 23. So how would we count? We should count the P if there is no Sunday and no holiday. That means we'll count if there is 0, no Sunday and P. So three conditions should be met. First, here should be 0, here should not be Sunday, and here should be P. So here I will give another formula, that is count if S. Count if S. So here count if S, comma, first criteria and first range I have given. Then I will give second criteria. Second criteria range will be this one, and this will be not equal to Sunday. Then third criteria range is this one, comma, 0. Then press enter. Now see, the value is 23. It's now perfect. In this way we have to do absent here too. So to do this we also do with count if S formula. So press equal to count if S. First criteria is this, comma, it will be A, comma, second criteria range will be this, comma, less than equal to Sunday, comma, third criteria range is this, and criteria will be 0. Then bracket close, enter. There is no absent. If I put here absent, it will count as 1. But here in Sunday, if we put A, it will not count. Here you can see here is 2A, but this count is only 1. So now in the same way we will do half day present, that is equal to count if S, first range, comma, first criteria, that is H, comma, second criteria range, comma, that is not equal to Sunday, comma, third criteria range, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. Here is 0. So I will give here H and H. I put 2H, but here is count is 1, because 1 each is in Sunday, it will be not counted, and it's on working day, so it will be counted. Now we will count total working days. So how will we count total working days? So here we will leave this criteria. So equal to count if S, first criteria range is this one, not equal to Sunday, and second criteria range is 0, enter. So total working day is 23. Now we will calculate the present percent and absent percent. So to do present percent, type the formula equal to bracket open full present day plus half present into 0.5 bracket close divided by total work days, and for absent percent equal to full day absent divided by total work days. And now select both of these and give it as a percentage format. So it's showing 93% and 4%. So it's done here. Now still we can see some problem, that is on Sunday P is here and here, and on holiday also is showing P. So the main problem is that we have to hide this. So to hide this we have to go to conditional formatting and manage rule. We can see this cell text color is black and here also black. We have to make it red and green. So edit formula, format, font, it should be red. Okay, so it's not showing, and now here font color will be green, and you can see it's still not showing here for the green. So now it's hidden. So I will delete this all, and now I will show you that whenever I put here P, the value is not reflected here, but if I press P here, it gets reflected. However, here if we put H, it is not reflected on half day, and if we put here H, it's reflected. And on for absent, we put here A, it's not reflected, and if we put here A, it's reflected. So our problem is solved. Now here we will do some little formatting. Here is some mistake. Let's complete this. So move this one here, select this both, then merge them, select this and merge, and put this here, then merge this 2 and merge this 3. It's okay now. And we will do formatting. Here we will put the year, so the date is here, and we will do here formatting of the year. So format cell custom Y 4 times, and it's showing 2019. Then select this, and we will take anti-pants, color is sky blue, and font size little bigger. Now it's looking good. Now here I have entered the attendance for all those employees. Now we will see the result of this attendance. Here I can see 12 present, 11 full absent, 0 half days, equal to 23 work days, and present is 52%, absent is 48%. Now here if we drag this number, we are not getting the result. Why? Because here we have not locked this one and this one. So this one is row number 4 and this one is row number 6. So row number 4 and row number 5, row 4 and 5 should be locked. So here is row 5. To lock this, press F4. And now drag, is all okay. Now here again we have to do this. For 5 press F4, for 4 press F4. Is okay. And here again for half days F4, and for Sundays is F4. Now it's okay. For working days also, for 5 press F4, press enter, and this will work fine, no problem. So this has been completed, and now the last work is when the attendance sheet is completed for the month, then we have to copy this sheet with the month name here, and after that attendance sheet should be cleared. So to do this, I will make 2 buttons here. Insert, take the shape right this way, give it a color, and then copy this with the right click and edit here, copy sheet, and in the home select Andulus, it will be bold and a little bigger, 14 size. Here edit text, clear sheet, and select this one, and again we will take the same font, same size, and bold. And now for these 2 buttons we will create a Vba macro. To do this, I have already kept the code, so I will just open the code via Visual Basic. To do this, we have to go to developer and press Visual Basic. Else, if you do not have this develop tab, you can go to Excel option and press here show developer and then OK. There is another way. You can press right click on the sheet name and click on View Code. Then here I will create a code. To do this, right click on Insert, then Module. Here I will put the code for copying the sheet with the month name. So here is the code. I will select this, then copy, then go to Visual Basic and paste it. So this is the cell name from which the sheet name will be taken. So this is M1, and in M1, see, my cell has written February, so my sheet name will be February. Now it's done. Close it, then click another module. Here I will put clearing the cells code. So here paste it. Here it's given C7 to AG7. That means here is C7. From C7 to AG7. See, it will clear all the value of this row. As much row as you have to do like this. As you have completed, close this. Now our work is to assign those macros to this button, and right click on this and assign macro. Now for copying the cell sheet, we have to select this one and press OK, and after that then select assign macro for clear sheet, then cells. OK. Now our macro has been assigned to these two buttons. Now let's check. Copy sheet, click. I see here is a February sheet created with all the attendance. Now I again go to attendance sheet. We do not further need any of this attendance, so we will clear this sheet. Now it's all cleared. We can change the month and start new attendance here. So thank you for watching this video till end. Please subscribe our channel and press the like button, and also share this video with your friends who need this. Thank you very much.